Robert Chin was going through some personal things why he was missing for some time. And if you know that witch stand up in the council and talk about how she's going to miss the PNP mayor. I whole heap of little things, but as I say, it's party matters. We can leave it alone.
It's
I'm
just
only a
that. But I was always been wondering
we're going to see some
if
people,
some of those guys who walk across the floor, if they really meant it, or it was meant to disturb what
Apart
we
from me now, go say
achieved,
somebody can switch and be genuine, you know.
what we had
I'm
achieved
saying,
in
don't
Westmoreland.
disenfranchise a true labourite who has suffered and fought with the party for years. See some turn back just come PNP we say them switch. We're not even sure if them switch yet. We can talk this openly. When people switch, them not fully switch. I'm going to use Joan Gardner Webley as an example. When Joan Gardner Webley switched because she hate Andrew Holness, she was still do a labor right at heart. So she gave us many information from the PNP camp. She was like a mole.
Yes.
So at the same way, I look on a PNP switch and say them a labor right.
Me never trust.
Sabotage the party.
Me never trust them two guys there, and especially when I heard the young lady there that she, the other one that switch, spoke about their behavior. What's her name from Papine there?
Venetia.
Venetia, because Venetia was Moreland's campaign manager. And when I heard Venetia saying some things that she never trusted, when Moreland was campaigning and those other guys were saying that they were campaigning with Moreland, she caught them telling the people behind the back of the man, I hope you don't give me a vote because I'm going to need your vote. So from that time I was saying, but what is going on here? Because my mother say, listen to a man's foolishness and take some sense out of it.
Oh yes.
So from that time I was saying, but these guys are not up to anything good.
Even the
Them
people
can't get to have them way in the PNP. So them do what them do to see if them can get to win.
if the people in this country leave Moreland rules there.
I never agree with that move. And what do you guys notice? You don't notice that they send Chin to Southwest, and Chin so far has been the one who has garnered the most vote for the Labour Party in Southwest.
But Scotty, do you hear me mention it last night? So I know.
Yes.
When we go up on one side and tell him, say, if we don't win 2 seats down here, why we need PNP on the side to keep them? We work on the labor right them. When them take over Kirk votes, them take over the Mr. Party. Them see they gone.
Destruction.
That distract them come distract on us.
Destruction.
Yeah. Destruction is why and who are the seats and over Westman then lose. I'm saying come
and then if Chin had come earlier. It didn't come earlier.
Yeah, man. But that's distract the man and distract the man.
Puzzles would have been a trouble if Chin did come earlier. You hear me? I tell you, because when I look at it has always been a landslide in Southwest regarding the PNP. And when we see they vote different.
Hold on. Andre. Go on. You want to go on, brother? Come for your thing enough time, man. Sure you remember, man. Oh. I'm sure I'm on hour. I can't a younger generation still, but I'm not too join the politics thing. That's what I say, brother.
The politics platform this, darling.
True, I can't voice my opinion, my friend. Yeah, you can't voice your opinion when you jump down my throat, so.
You don't jump into politics. Platform this.
Yeah, man. Well, understand, I'm a clear, myself. What you say, brother?
Nah, you see the way she come off aggressive.
No,
You
man,
see,
you talk about she, man. You say you want vice, because ours now, we don't want to waste time. What you say? What you have vice for?
yeah, I say, at the older people, them like she mash up the place, you see it?
Oh, you know me old. You know me old. You know me age.
So I say, because tomorrow them still have a hungry. Them still have a
Right.
hungry. None of the party.
Party. We hear you have to say.
No,
where
no,
you come
no.
say.
Alright,
Yes,
alright.
Yeah.
What me say, yeah?
Yeah,
None
man.
of the party them now do nothing for none of them down at Jamaica. You see it?
Oh, you know there. You know there.
Yeah. And them can't. Well, and then I'm talking.
Like I tell you, man, you're there. You are here. You are here.
Well, and then
Oh, man, are you here?
well,
Are
and
you
then
here?
well,
Let me
and
know.
then
Well, as a Christian, me ask you, are you here with us?
I don't care about the Christian, brother. We're not the problem as well.
No, man, just figure, focus on the question. Are you here with us?
Religion, Christian.
Nah, answer it,
slave
buddy.
master, slave
It's a next
master.
story this. Next story this.
Alright,
I'm going to tell you where I'm planning mine. Because we are asking for
Then
questions.
lean back for the next time.
Come
brother.
down, yeah, man. Respect that.
Some politics,
I
yeah.
don't understand, you know. Go
Yeah,
on,
man.
brother.
Lean back, lean back.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Respect me.
You're not ready.
Man, a PNP party, man.
That's why I'm telling you.
Two PNP party, no come here. No, man. PNP, man. But two no come through. Him not
Right here they are.
Him can't mark holding again, you know. The market set down, market lock.
I mean, I
So him start attack. Him start attack the Jamaican people, them know. So them cause the problem.
yeah,
What's problem no money cause? Have a go we attack here, man.
Yeah, man, me I tell you, I am pleased with the work that Chin has done in the short time he was sent to Southwest, because I have never seen such cut down of the margin of votes that the PNP would have received. You see, when me look at the result, me say, but Chin did well, man. Chin did well. Chin must stay, regardless of what the chastisement that he went under. Politics not easy, you know. We must admit that even when we are under the same umbrella, some of us will cut each other's throats still.
True. And some of the
But the Lord would have made him that switch for a reason. So I would encourage him to stay, and I get to understand that he did a lot. And I get to understand because I have colleagues living in the comfort area, and Chin wanted to help them by putting marl on some bad roads for them. And I get to understand that Mr. Cousins sent a message to him that if he touch a road, he must call police. And cause and let me tell you something, sweetie. Mark Southwest Clarendon by bad roads. Because I have lived in Southwest Clarendon. From Arscott coming up and even before Arscott, them never have good roads yet. Why you think Milk River Bath? Milk River Bath is a world-renowned destination. And why you think all heap of tourists still don't know Milk River Bath? It's both local and international. In a Southwest Clarendon. And the roads are always in a deplorable condition. And the byways that go along for you to reach here, they are not well kept.
Yeah.
They don't do anything. Southwest Clarendon should be like West Kingston. You know why? Because the people are diarted. Is somebody in the chat saying Chin bought the marl and came with it, and then just sent his socks and tractors same time.
We don't understand it.
Because he wanted to make it look like a him said the marl.
Oh, so him come with him empty truck and look like I just.
So in a one part, Chin buy a marl and come with it.
Oh.
and,
And then him come with his
and him send it in tractors, he look like a him. And down a comfort, me know my colleague tell me say, he send gun tell him man, when the man are 5 people, them say if he do it, he might call police. Yes, Learman. We thought Learman and R. Scott was bad. They were better. But because and this young man that you're talking about it is yes. No, Learman and Scott are past PNP, MPs for Southwest.
The person who get it back now is cousins.
Yes, man. Him get it because take over from R. Scott.
They don't want nothing good.
And I had some hope and faith in him, Squitty, because he's a young man. You see, in this time and age, that I thought would have done better by the people. He's the son of a former politician. Because his father had run against you, Shira. You see. And the next thing about him. Yes, no, I live in, yes, his father ran against you, Shira, in Southeast.
You live now, this cousin's place, cousin brother. Is your same
No, they are Southwest, I am Southeast.
Okay.
Neighbors, we are neighbors.
Luton cousin,
Yes.
Luton cousin, I don't know, in a Clarendon.
You come from down Sandra?
Luton is Southwest Clarendon.
Yeah.
You know, I want me there, with that Great Britain.
Oh,
You see, and he faced it too. When people approach him, the arrogance, and he tells the people, I don't have to do this, I'm a businessman, and I am a lawyer. Then if you know you don't have to do it, brother, make somebody else do it now. Make somebody else do it.
Exactly. I'm going to look for your business.
And in the parochial election, the local elections, I get to understand that the people were adamant to the toll gate side and Rock Road side that they were going to vote in the Labour Party councillor for a change because they want better. If you take time out that time and walk and tell the people them say, if them vote.
I'm going to Sandra, you to mind that. Yeah. One apostle. 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 Wagwan. Sassy. Sassy, unmute your mic. Chris. Chris Carter. Yo, Chris Carter. Tanya. Marilyn.
Yeah, me there. List of them.
Everybody got
Everybody has knock out. I want
Everybody has knock out.
Squidgy sound like they don't want Apostle talk a while ago.
The apostle jump off. I don't know what you do. Maybe I phone back to dead.
Could be.
Yeah.
Because she have to touch an important point to just chip out something.
Yeah, I know when you make it chip, you look like our battery dead, man.
And that may I say.
Yeah, look like our battery dead, man.
Yeah, man, but show them rights, man.
Yes, that's the track within them, brother.
Yes, I.
You soon come back, man.
Yeah. Shall do all the information now. Yeah, Bob.
Yeah, man. Do you hear what happened in Portland?
No, when? Since night?
No. Wait. Anne-Marie election.
Yeah, man, we hear that, man.
Let me tell you what me hear.
You just a year?
No, it's a breaking news.
Yeah, what?
I had
Do you hear about some back?
Yeah, hold on.
Yeah, the box for the fine up at Titchfield High School.
Yes.
How much box?
I heard they find 35 bucks up at Titchfield High School.
What? Wait, hold on. Where you hear that from?
I had a crew member that I work with.
Yeah, which station you from media news or somebody that can spread gossip?
Well, I had a girl that I work with. I work at a restaurant, and the girl is from Portland. And the baby father is a policeman. And the policeman call him and tell him that they find 35 bucks over by Titchfield High School.
I don't believe that.
And they hold a man. They hold a man in connection with the box. And the man said $300,000 and get them pay him to take the box them.
Something like that.
Yeah, what I miss? What I hear the man I say, nobody say nothing. Yeah.
The girl is from Portland and I work with him in Kingston. And the baby father is a policeman in Portland. And the policeman call him and tell him, so they find 35 bucks up by Titchfield High School. And them hold a man, and the man of them hold, they have been questioning now, and them say he can get 300,000 if you take away the box them. So they have the man in custody, and I think they have the box them. And Marie box them.
Not tonight that happened?
No, not tonight. From yesterday, but this morning me hear me go work this morning.
Oh, we don't hear that from the main street.
Squitty on the ground, and my receipt is going to come in to make it 37.
Yes.
Yeah, listen, you know.
No. Yeah, me know. Yeah,
And everything start the box and tally up now, and the counting has gone. The election will be one embarrassing election.
Hold on here.
The girl that
You know the part about the thief in the box them want to hear about.
Yeah, but you can't hear about that, Squitty. You know them not, you not listen, them not bring it across.
The girl that I work with, she's from Portland. And the baby father is a policeman in Portland. And the policeman call her and tell her that they find 35 bucks up at Titchfield High School. And they have a man in custody. And the man saying get 300,000 if you take the box them. 300,000 out of them pay him. So I heard they have him in custody.
Possible for thief in the boxes.
So they have him in custody.
Count the box, and not thief, I count them, not count the box, and come to tally up yet. But they must want the count over with it. And then they find them merging back. And then
they say they box, they don't count. 35 is a lot of boxes, you know.
Yeah, they say
I know so much box party. But box those are coming now. And they must count. Just listen now.
The girl tell me said 35. The girl said 35 bucks. The police in baby father call him and things, so they find him at Titchfield High School.
After they vote,
them find some box. Them find some box, but I think that's too much.
But she's in baby father said 35.
That's so much. That would have been that's questionable. That would have been going on.
25 back, 25. Just hold it down, 5.
Yeah, but
and the box them gone in.
Yeah.
Remember, so we use some already, you know, them find some already.
And a thief party, I just misplaced them.
Yeah,
them come back after the counting.
And the whole amount.
Now, pass your information, but maybe you hear 3 to 5 and think I
No, she told me this man at work. I work at a restaurant in Kingston and she worked there.
25 or 5.
Yeah, so she said
My question
Five, man.
Right. She said 30. She said 35, but some people go with what she said.
All right, but now make you be the target, everybody will target you now on the word 35. Just stop saying.
Yes.
Just stop saying.
Okay.
So just use the word so. Use the word so.
Yes.
And it come in now. What's critical?
Yeah.
And 37 seat, election are done with.
Yeah, man. Yeah, even 38 as they say.
So the man are there. The man are there in custody. them saying a $300,000 them pay him.
Yeah.
Yeah, protect the box.
I'm talk who pay him.
Yes, exactly. Exactly.
But that's why I not really bring it up in an investigations critic. I remember say a man can say anything and nothing of us up. I can't just even volunteer if you do that too.
Right.
There must be a labor right, you know. That's what they pay him.
Yes, exactly. Exactly. Exactly.
Then you have to talk who pay him.
Yes, exactly.
But the man know, he never know the source who pay him critic. You think the source of people just pay him just up. A man just give him money, man. The man he couldn't even come. He couldn't even know the name because people up. You man give 300,000, you want to name the name who you want a receipt from the man? You give the man receipt?
No matter receipt, but the man have finished some communication before.
No communication and money that's quitting. Not communication.
Hold on face reality. You think you can just stand a person now? A man don't know me, me don't know a man. And a man come with $1 million and say, yo, take up them back. I mean, a political.
You're desperate for $1 million quitting. The man them go out for the desperate and the vulnerable.
The man have to talk before, man.
You have to know who pay him.
The man have to talk before, brother.
True.
The man must and bound have to talk before. And the man knows is a person that can
So panel, what rather?
He must be a Christian and in a them thing there. He must know
He must know your ballot. He know your ballot back Steve from long time. He know your way you practice.
Exactly.
You know exactly what you do.
They must start before him.
Them have to talk before he had.
Because my ballot back
Smart
Steve.
and that. Them have to
You
talk
know
before.
it's critical that is what he does for a job in thief box.
But what you know,
So
how you know say that the man thief box for approach?
Then I'm not sure they script it. Speak to them up for that big.
know man
The man know what he
Yeah,
script
now
it.
you have to disagree upon your part. The man must and bound have to talk before.
Script it sometime. Alright, script it. Yeah, you must, but not the
Not
man.
necessarily splitting.
Not the source script it. A man can say, yo, a man why you mash a work scene now. Him get 500,000 for do it.
I
You get 6 months free.
That's a different
I am the
thing.
man.
That's a different thing, man.
But probably script it. Alright, what do you really want? What do you really want? The man say for come.
That's the brother.
No, but script it.
Man
When you
have
say,
to know the person before.
yeah, but script, you know, make that be the topic of the argument. The man know the man, yeah. But the problem is, the box them a tally up no one account. We no interested for years. I will pay the money. My question is, how shall we win the seat?
Yeah, let me ask you a question. See?
Yeah, me that. Yeah, me
But
that.
the time say a 5 box.
Before the box they even come in, right? Don't
Yeah.
EOJ know how much box a constituency consists of?
Andrew a fight the world down to the EOJ. Andrew a fight too.
Yeah, well, I know, I could hear this brother I say, Ian. Yeah, go on, brother.
I mean,
So
that's
may
a
I
question.
say, no, may I ask the question, say, in any constituency, the thing say, them already know the amount of boxes that due for come in.
Right.
So, if certain amount of boxes missing, somebody at EOJ should have said, listen, we're missing X amount of boxes. So I'll go on there, sir. So them
They want
directly miss.
Remember,
Them
this is a
directly.
plant agent
It
everywhere,
was,
you
it
know.
was.
Them not gonna talk for them at all work with the
No
team.
determine. No box is not missing. The box them shuffle.
Oh.
That's a number
So
then
them
go round.
just
That's
never
a
count.
don't count.
Right. That's what it mean.
Yeah, them just don't count.
They never
So
count
no,
them.
it's like them count them and not count them.
No count them. Yeah.
Well, that makes
So what
sense
happened
now.
now? Yes, so what happened now? Them picture and say, hold on, number 5 and number 8 and 30 never count. And say, load that alone because we done win already. And say,
Yeah.
nah man, I count them, no man, them never count yet. And so come me keep tells could say 37 I go big the end of the year and it's going to be an embarrassing election. It's a one man gone already.
Oh, what about
That's
Andrew?
not
That UJ I did. Drunk or move.
You see it? You
Yeah,
see it?
that person now follow the politics.
Nah, follow the body, I follow the hearsay. The hearsay body. That's how I
Brother,
said.
brother, he's a family thing, brother. You see earlier, I'll get a kick in your face. Out of your
So
book.
script, so
You fuck off of this.
Yeah, man, lift up.
script, I whole year, as I tell you, as for years since me, I tell you, she may come in back with that 3, win by 3, 4 or 5. I don't mind, you understand what I mean?
Yeah, me, you say 2 or 3.
Yeah, man, she better come true, man.
Yeah, well,
I
no
thought
one
you-
to come through because the people they must vote for her.
Yeah, but me no want hear who pay money. The man,
We
you
don't
that
want to
already.
know about that, but if
Me
the
no want
police,
hear
them,
that.
the police, them check them and really take it serious. And take it
Then
as
that
a
mean,
serious
but
case.
that means it can't company. It can't company here yet, Squitty. That we just because it can't say stolen.
Company here.
No, but it can't say stolen. It has show say things that work right. Then missing are not tallied. That's the woman that said. She said the word tallied.
Somebody
Yeah.
count and leave some in the box.
Yeah, it no matter. She are gonna come to Squitty.
That's all we want.
That's all you want. No,
Somebody
Squitty.
write and explain what I want, and somebody are texting her. Read me read somebody.
Okay, sorry about it.
Alright, Squitty,
And I
you see
mean,
the
somebody are
back,
text and I read it.
you see the back them mister them fights what teach you school, the PD they have to run over back because the back them can stop too. So me no want them back to come for me neither. So you understand what I mean? They can't stop them. You don't want them to come.
So
So
just
I'm
speak
calling
at
them and
bombshell then.
Miss please. I want it. The embarrassment is an embarrassment, man.
So
It's
that's
an embarrassment, man. If it is stolen, but it's in them eyesight, that cook them up. If them find them stolen,
Yeah,
that's
because
right.
in a JLP press conference yesterday, they
Well,
talk.
may I ask you here, if the box is 5 box, if them the PD there, I forgot run over.
I have to run over back if I thief them, and then find them back. You couldn't just come out them, so. PD have to run over back. So I just say, them count and don't count.
Well, on there, your woman has the eyes at done with.
That is the message. That is the message. Them want display. So if and if you come back and wait, them and say, thief it fit. And then right, and then start right. I don't know me I try to say them blow it up with a proportion. They just run it.
Like a farm she just sit down.
And that is the reason why, like, if them take back, just like McGregor. You think tomorrow man them say McGregor lose? Them say thief, them go thief it.
Yeah, that's true.
The master thief, them thief it. You see, that is why them call themselves winner. Them so them know say what them do wrong, you know. But them say them have something for cry with Andrew and them thief the election.
Well, them a go bad thief till them dead. Put it like that.
Where you hear me say since
Them
you
a go
come
say a
from
thief the election thief till them dead.
Because if any election I take back, alright, look at them the road. Them never want to get a paper. I said I said she win them. I said tomorrow me give you. And she said no, me not leave. Give me my thing.
Yeah.
Exactly.
And the man and that about me
no jelly back man in a brother. They can't be no jelly back man, they have to stand up on their foot, you know.
So where the man them there we have back road now, them shut down up on them tears say yo. Pass on that man, but she get it man. She can't leave. So she not one woman will fight everybody, you know.
Yeah, man.
And she had 100 more votes.
So where's
the
security them there?
But that's what I tell them. I say I secure my police, you know, so them can't get in. Yeah, a fair man them were down there with back after dead with them strong. You say she dead after she not left.
Back it in there, where them at?
And them for them not the police them, because if they can't use the police them fight the EOJ back up. Can't use them. Remember them, you understand? But when them come on the program, when me tell you security, go down a Portland, let me tell you. I don't show you over certain man attack you and certain man. I say, Mr. Chum, can't buy a certain man, because certain man not dead boat. I go dead boat doing nothing what I go on.
Yeah.
Woman will come troop and slip margin party. And them go say, I thief it and get back. I will thief it. Because I'm just saying the election is going to be an embarrass one.
Yeah, me hear you say
yeah, man. Election is going to run like embarrassing.
Me alright.
The one wins bad.
well, as long as you put my car seat and the back crazy.
You know, that means that all I'm interested in. What business who for money burn up and for money in your mouth? I'm going to tell them my business. The money done them already.
Squeezy,
Yes, I.
you hear what Karen Cross said this morning?
No.
Karen Cross said this morning, the debate with Mark Golden and the Prime Minister. She say the girl the Miller. The girl the Miller was in the room. She was in the room helping to build up the statement.
No, long time, something that darling, current that long time. Eh?
Yes, at this man me here.
Which girl was in the room? We ever talk about Zanja?
The journalist girl.
Diane Jackson
Yes,
Miller,
yes. Diane Jackson Miller. She was in the room. I helped write the debate. If you might go in.
Oh, yeah, man, we about that already, man.
Bob,
Yes,
that's
why
they
when
might vote and they still lose election. So
yeah, that's why when the debate come, she asked she asked the Prime Minister the first question.
PNP time, Bob, PNP time finish and over. 2030 is the next one.
That's right.
Yeah, man. Jaja. That's why everybody has said, that's why the whole Jamaica said something wrong, you know. Even my family.
Yeah, because the
Even my family,
EOJ was
everybody has said something wrong with the seat,
the EOJ compromise because you have a date and camera sitting on it.
Let me take him off, you know.
You can sit down, you can stay
all of them from top to bottom and get new people put on the board.
For independent.
Yes. You know what the political thing for the EOJ? From no side, with a PNP or JLP. A person who neutral and them have to prove neutrality.
And that's why the PNP them glad say them win back them seat for them say the four strongest person we in the PNP
conflict of interest.
seat.
Yeah, man. And a man like Nathan Cameron so was spoken and chat low like Mama Lashy and go on. Them the man in the feel at them place there. And arrogant and go on and you know so the man we all do anything.
Yeah, but them said when anything the Prime Minister said no they can debunk it.
They can
debunk it.
We have the majority in the parliament. And we tell Andrew if we take off the wap of a Warmington mount in the parliament. Make Warmington just get released
Hold on,
the
brother say no antenna say no brother no you're not no neutral person in Jamaica.
No neutral person in Jamaica.
Well, you have to get PNP and JLP when arrogant. Like this man here. Because we not even know the JLP people were in there. Even what we know, you know.
No, Tom Tavares
As a politician. We don't know the next one then.
You know Tavares?
Huh?
Tom Tavares.
Tavares Vincent in there.
Yeah, our next one.
So we know hear them go on and make some nice. Like them in them.
Yeah, but
everybody I know so I hear them.
Yo, ever your winners are complaining yet?
You know.
Winners are complaining. I do that with a bit nice, you know.
And the famous saying all our granny say, the barrel make you most nice.
Yeah, because in the end of the day, PNP never go into this election to lose.
Them want to win by any way necessary, and what them tell you.
Whole heap of money then spending a squitty.
So even with them whatever seats or whatever seats.
Billions of dollars.
Billions. JPS give them 5 billion. Matalan give them 500 million.
And the why amount of people, the amount of big man we sponsor PNP. Broad,
yes, but they think they're going to win the election, that's they can get back the money.
But how would them ever get it back now?
I don't know, them in a problem. If downtown Kingston herself for £1, PNP can buy it, or $1.
Okay. I'll contend the election and done.
We start out for real.
Believe what I'm telling you. Yeah, me done?
I'll have to start out.
Even proving, even Mark Gunning company proving, they take money out of proving to go buy election from 2020 and they still lose election, so them company in a problem.
And go back to it again.
And TV and cleaner, they have to go start redundant some people down because they cannot pay them.
I want the government not bail them out.
No, they not bail them out.
You know, so them deal with the boss, pretty.
Yes, I want people bail them out.
We not to shut down them for poor.
Leave PNP alone. Don't worry about them. We don't worry about them because them in a shadow. All of them in a shadow. They are shadow cabinet. No ministerial position them get. Shadow. You think someone would like to wake up this man and see Angela Brownberg, what they call it, foreign minister? You're crazy?
I tell you.
Me wake up this man and see Peter Bunty, the security minister. You're crazy?
I have to ask myself a question. Why them hate this man?
I don't know.
I don't party them hating Andrew, a personal hate them have with the man, you know.
Because Andrew come from a
Because
family.
he come from ghetto.
No, and I really get
in there, born rich.
Pretty, if you have your son and your son come up in a life and make it, I must thief and corrupt?
Nah.
Okay. But so that's why I said Jamaican are the capital of bad mind. I mean, not successor. Jamaican are the capital of bad mind. Them the life is them own people survive. Even in England, yeah, you work with some of them are the same thing them carry down.
Same thing.
Same thing.
Bad mind.
You go to England as a Jamaican, we don't look at them.
All America to sister.
But it's just a Jamaican thing, you know.
Yeah, man.
We just start up this thing, you know. A brother the other way in England report my channel, you know. I go over one XPP channel and tell the man, them say, yo. And when me see things come up and them say, boy, if me not cancel my thing, them are going to book me, ban me for 1 year. Then, I me go over one PNP channel same time, I know who that bring me over there. And me turn it on the channel back and them here and discuss me. I say, you know, so me report the boy XPP channel and the next boy channel, them go up and say, so where am do? Them say, I have come down. I'm here, the man in my chat, my brother. I mean, just blew him up on the internet, put up in picture on his face and said, bad man was a face, same there, UK chat. And PNP boy. From where me just start my channel. Them bad mind is a Jamaican thing.
Yeah, they one lady said to put bad mind in a dictionary and if you put bad mind ask where bad mind come from, and then that Portland that come up.
Me say when me that England I feel much years and anywhere me go work and Jamaica, me don't want to stay there, me don't apply for job there. And then they get one promotion and them I go carry news to the boss.
They get you out.
Every time I get out of PLP government,
Portland here. You there Portland, Natty? Natty Gatti.
So in everything, and I realize that here, you know, they just didn't want it to come to.
Hold on, basic, your mic not clear, you know, your phone not clear. We not hear you clear.
Yeah, hear me now?
Yeah, look better.
Yeah. So they didn't want him to create a legacy. Third term.
Not over way that's enough, because you never come through clear.
Yeah. In every election, the JLP is the government. PNP is a thing that they go after the leader. Get out the party. They go after the
Bob, mute. Yeah.
And they go after the leader and say my team. Because them always, remember them couldn't go after Blue School and say my team, you know. Them go after Blue School with Manhattan Phelps. Then use the country money to go defend Dudus and rare. Because them always have something up them sleeve. How to get out people. Remember them use them tactics upon them own self, you know, how to get out them when they die, you know. Them not have no honors. And them not believe in honors. So you can't
teach them that, you know.
You can't just get up and tell them, say, this is how them to operate. Them know how to operate. But my only say, them 18, them just want to tap in and create legacy.
Ian.
Yes, we are.
Just believe say Mark Golin, the 8 Andrew Wallace with a passion. You know why?
But when you tell everybody in the PNP party.
No, you know why he hate Andrew. Tell me why he hate Andrew. Listen.
Them hate Andrew, man, personally.
Yeah, man, I think so too.
Personally.
He hate Andrew because Mark Golin pretend he's a white privileged child and Andrew is a black privileged. Man look down for Andrew and say, I should know you did so. I should have missed.
Yes.
Andrew talk about Juliet less. He might look on Juliet as a little slave girl. He shouldn't have a business as a black woman. A
successful one too.
Yes.
I agree with that.
Making dumb putting wife in a no position.
Right. him should and just strap him when in the police state, him look for and do one thing and say,
Yeah, it's like in privilege. In privilege.
Them I believe say a regular man will come from the lowest part of society to hold such position, you know what I mean? But this man in this position only represents something good for my kids to look on, you know what I mean? Because them done indoctrinate we already enough to have a certain people at the head of society, right? But now when them a regular youth come up to the rankings now and get to the top, the man them a rich man them and the man them with the name. Like the Tapanars name. I like to see that.
You know that him said. Him said that, you know. Him and him Tapanars when I go run Jamaica, you know.
That's why I said to you, one, the money when him give, black he wouldn't give them none.
They wouldn't get penny.
Not $1.
Not $1 they in the sea.
So all them a
Promise. Empty promising did I make.
And Tapanars them that tell you the Matalan, the Atan, the Isas,
And them in the give money.
them that tell them what to do.
Yeah, I'm going to pay about them first. Because all for money them put you tonight.
Well on there. Your boy have name Slow White Black. About anti-black. You know what, my youth? We are kicking at your face with iron boot. You can jump on your back.
Just pretty if you're right, you know, you don't repeat it. That's when those force you to do, you know.
Well, that's why I kick him in the face, make him jump on him.
Repeat it.
Now make him know why I kick him in the face.
You don't repeat it. Because the message in them tell us to split the election and I done. I one month time election after that.
We there for war, them brother. We not back off either. We out in the diaspora to kick them in their face. And we not can do it. And we are going to do it. We kick them at their ass face with iron boot, but they must stay so we don't lie and come.
I'm so happy if you know that Mark Golding is not Jamaican Prime Minister. I'm talking every day and I don't care.
Let me tell you. Me that glad they pin the loser in seat.
You know what?
I'm not going to lose it because they don't want nothing good on this.
Hold on. Listen to the words there. Idiot. They have sense.
KD night.
Mark Golding never come Prime Minister.
KD night.
No, when your own says and talk about your campaign, your fix or your pattern, why that come out of your intention? Them know. Them cut against them one another. They are men without honors. And you understand? That's how them operate. And then when you hear from some other live, a man a say, boy, Andrew win, but you know, good, that's not good win. Man, shut your mouth. Winners not come from here.
And if you win by a nose, you know what that is? You win by a nose.
See Jamaica lose so much. If Jamaica win by one goal, Jamaica reach far in a football.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. No matter how you win.
We understand last term, he can continue it. We don't want nobody to go back, make choices, go back. We need to go forward.
And I go start, then I go continue them.
Right. So we need to go forward.
And then I go stay the pan wall for what years. And wrap down and mash down and go nowhere.
But Mark Golding did say that when in 5 years come, nothing wouldn't start.
You know, them help themselves lose the election.
Of course.
Every time.
Every time the man open them up, them say party the way you have to say that. They couldn't just say you have a look and continue. Why you have to say you weren't vote into government?
They do what them want to do.
And Nationwide was giving an interview with the guys them last night, and they said it's them caused the election to lose by themselves. Because we all Mark Golding come out first with all these bad man things on stage, like you must say, get wicked from the labor at them. These kind of things turn off people from Mark Golding, and him don't understand. So they must say to go back and look on all these clips where him do when him just started. Like he must say, junglies will give me strength. Junglies with this.
I gotta run this man, I turn up the thing on them man.
Them someday. Turn off people.
Man without honor have lips that sing shits. If a man have an honor and you know not to go you and your wife in a party, I guarantee you your wife will pull up. And not honor. Put them out. was saying, never look.
Mr. Win. You right now? You hear a ruler say? Ruler Brown. Ruler Brown say KC beat Calabar at Champ 6 years ago by a half a point.
These are the true.
KC was declared as the champion. They want him if PNP they win by even half a point or they would have gone on. I say they win.
No, if PNP did win this morning, every Labourite would have no life.
True.
Yeah, right now we're dead. And the PNP people are there in Jamaica right now. Everything would have turn up, crime turn up. Gunman into years we get license again.
He
And then rise up into and clam appear to it about in every community.
The tournament when they loses the lock in a McGregor head. And that's you're going to hear. Problem.
Yo, you don't know yet, you know?
You know, me and that, you know,
You know why you do it, you know?
You know the observer, innit? You know the observer front.
Yeah, no, me not say no seat, you know. When me say, he not eat him yet.
Oh.
Him see, you know, but him not see, and him not react.
I member of a constituency. A couple of hours.
What?
Back from me. I thief them thief it.
We swell the shit in the fan, and they fly in him face. And him say, and he touch pan him lip and him face, you see?
I think McGregor didn't do want a security minister
I shit
job.
this man. Him guy, man.
And this they say on the run.
Same shot, same.
One thing though.
Then you go, then you have to panic now.
Larry says to be a proud youth.
Yeah, man, if you big him up, man, and protect him.
Yeah.
Yeah, them have to protect the youth, you know.
It's good that when you do the right, it's when you do the wrong thing, you need protection still in us. You know that?
Yeah.
And the man who do the right thing, you need the protection, you know?
Yeah, but in a in case him need protection, man.
Yeah, man, they hate him right now, split it.
From man,
Yeah.
Oh, the Lawrence youth, I say right now, they hate him.
Andrew do the right
Yeah,
thing. Hate him.
Don't for the youth them in the Central Kingston don't like McGregor because him used to battle me. No for them in
Yeah,
the Central.
I think Lawrence has get up so I do this for him once. My brother man a boot, I back him. I don't wanna like them either.
And then they want to take out all Kevin Blake. The Kevin Blake, you know.
Yeah, I read that, so they say they want to take
Come
when
here from yesterday.
they
Them the
want
plan for him.
Clifford Blake to replace Kevin Blake. So Clifford Blake,
And then they want to take a nationwide license too.
I'm brother this.
Nationwide, link up with yourself from early and get him on TV license now, you know. So
Yeah.
you should understand how get a whole heap of ads now, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah?
The man a Clifford Blake. And Kevin Blake family, our brother.
No. Look at them name Blake. I remember say Blake a slave name, you know, whole heap of Blake, you know, but them in the
Also, a Blake in me one game.
yeah, but them have Blake family. Yeah. But I'm gonna tell you something. Everybody knows the government never that change. That's why they spend so much money to keep it. They knew the government was hard to beat.
Then him said,
They knew
him talk it up.
if it was the people knowing that Jamaica PNP country come back and rise, they money spend so much money. They knew it was a hard road to travel and a big task. So they have to come on, not with big bombs, but with big bucks, trying to overturn a government. But the government was so strong because the government has strong rules for the people.
Yeah.
Simple that.
Now God cover him back.
You remember Wednesday night? Them get up for them
Up on the
first.
screen, man. We there so 500 that.
The PNP gather first, you know.
Yeah.
The PNP gather all upward first to start celebrating, you know.
They get it to sell because they like to hustle, you know. So there's most hustlers there selling jerk pan and everything.
They start to celebrate already. And when Andrew come in, because when we look up at all, I say Andrew come in and I say, wait, all the PNP start to celebrate already and it's something like that. And when Cliffview say, Cliffview said, the 53-year-old Andrew all this blah blah prime minister, I say, wow, I said, thank you, Jesus, we couldn't even go work. We have to call him 62 there.
But Sandra, you know, each party board, that means that was the traffic that division was all up here, pack up. So them, when we pass up that sidewalk, them still on pan. Them still on pan sidewalk.
Yeah.
So Belmont Road was start to pack up from Jail leading at 21 feet and came to 8.
Yeah.
Everybody just gone a bell because everybody knows that with the election. Once they won, they tried with one. Man,
And Juliet Wallace.
and they can see the people down victorious because it have said that anybody who wins, them they'll get a seat.
Southwest, yeah.
They will be the government. So
Southwest St. Elizabeth, yeah.
People's Banking and Fried Green and Montague come in. And find them see they come in. Everybody can have their money. Because they knew the count was going to be. No effect, nobody go. Anybody who reached 32 and 30 was more nearer. They went into the election with 27 seats, and PNP went in there with 9. Oh, we think who reached 32?
There was JLP.
So nobody never that worry. The only thing would have worried some people because they want to get 53, 55, 50. That was impossible. It never was
Yeah, and them know that they couldn't win because guess what? They have 5 in a St. James and them win 1.
Yeah.
Them have how much in a St. Elizabeth and them win 1. So how them would have win?
No, because alright, but if you remember when Bruce Collins won and 2016 won and 32, 31, didn't they won Portland and 21 Portland and St. Thomas and still lose the election?
Yeah,
and with the whole of Westmoreland and with the whole of Hanover,
yeah,
and still lose. So we don't pack it up and say we're going to be near 38. That was the count, 38.
Yeah, but you know, Dr. Chang did that on a program already and he said,
35 and 35.
Yeah, in the talking.
That's why the man go check out the box and go west there.
What Andrew have to do now, hold on pan him in 35 or 36 CFC now and work with them for the next term.
No,
That's
no. What you have to do now is work on those seats.
CFC, of course.
Right. And then what he did now is that the caretaker them make them go. Because the PNP not going to allow no caretaker do no working on no Westmoreland, you know. Because they're not going to give the government the credit. That's what they always do. So Westmoreland probably has said this and that, this is the but we just I'm not the winning column. They still in the people because they never expected to be in opposition. PNP, why they're not opposition, you know, some of them not mad now, you know.
Only Miranda.
Miranda, the person said war, and what?
Them say them still in trouble, we keep an eye on them.
Miranda send back here by them.
Ian.
Miranda, no flight green.
Ian.
Keep an eye on her, then we cause trouble.
Yeah.
Ian, let me ask you a personal question.
Yeah.
Yeah, Pat and Santa, them a family?
Pat?
Yeah. Pat of Brooklyn.
No. Are you had me there now?
Yeah, but the person, when I talk, them Pat, when I say Pat, they were Brooklyn, so when I ask you.
No, my most family in Canada.
Oh, most of your family are Canada?
Yeah.
Okay, the last name, when I ask you, though.
The pressure me say, I'm a family from the IC, I fight Andrew. I want to program and pressure me to, you know.
Yeah.
No.
With your life, turn up man, 500 people still up online.
Yeah, man, people left
Push your pass, you know.
Pretty.
She don't know say your pass. Move while I will spit your guy today. And what you do, man?
Man, I will defend the thing.
Thank you.
I will go around and say, yeah.
I don't skip the life. They pass skip the life morning and night and noon.
Ian, I want to struggle with a whole pants pretty straight, man.
They pass skip the life. Chris Carter the whole away at night time.
Yeah, man.
That's true.
That's why they feel that they could intimidate the boss.
If you don't see O'Keefe sticky.
But watch out, I want to support my book, you know. See, it's second chance. And my book, that one, and them go up on YouTube and give me a support.
Yeah.
The one for Amazon.
From deportation, well, I know we talk from deportation to citizenship. And my name Asquith Peterson. So you want to go in Amazon, see where the book look. second chance from deportation to citizenship. I mean that. As quick Peterson. Then, further down, I will tell you.
Don't think I'm never like program. I'm trying to call it for other.
Citizens soon get promotion.
Yeah, in this
You get some promotion, man.
I mean,
I mean, man, I buy 3 book from school. I don't know if I read 3 book one time.
And that's how we capable if we do enough things, you know.
you pass it on, brother. Same way, so.
Yeah, man, we capable, man.
So squeezing the O'Keefe there, you know, see O'Keefe.
Me say, okay, we get heart attack.
Same way, so. If should I catch a stroke with it, my brother.
About passion.
Somebody type earlier on basic, but if you didn't find yourself. Somebody type say somebody in the US looking for okay. Can you earn heart attack?
Yeah, man, if you catch a stroke,
Wow.
If you see him bandit.
My brother, this
okay.
Squinty.
They really get heart attack him on no platform.
Squinty. You may say though, want to catch a stroke, and want the stroke take away him speech. Him chat too much. That is it.
Want the stroke can stab Kimbo. So when the Paris said Kimbo like kind of
yeah. Oh, we say the man can catch an attitude like a girl, you see?
Let me hear. The man dangerous, you know, the man come with some lie and some propaganda.
And him whole and body strong, you know.
The man
You Richard there.
And Seabreeze, me not see Seabreeze again.
Are you Richard?
Seabreeze that England, and never go look for him.
The whole of them when they come to we already, we box them with.
Okay.
Yeah, but whole of them used to come from with thing and take care and caution the whole of them.
Yeah, we're not more caution.
I don't think
Lot of pinch. I don't want a lot of pinch. We bet jail.
Okay, but it's not going to be strong. 2020 going to be an old man.
The vice cut.
Yeah, price of cut. And all in the program, I try to tell you, you know, say, okay, as you get at that third term, win.
Yeah.
No matter where you come to. We know your distraction, we know where you come to. Take it back.
In the somewhere listening, you know, but he now come up by shame.
Them shame like dog, man, and just box them by them face and them go
And the box then get in a kick, then get.
iron boot, we are away from a day, I know. Not 2 pair iron boot, and send 2 pair of Anjo.
Then get, man. And get so hard kick.
Make them feel embarrassed.
Yeah.
Word.
And when you still, all this man in me see dirty roads over one life.
That's special. When she still have the heart attack vice there.
The road used to come here some to you now. I rode back from
You hear what she say? She says she want the election to run over. Then if we call about the election, me say to her, me text her, say, so why you not call it back if you so powerful? And then demonstrate for me, I go in it, me say you can't even get up but you sit down, but you
used to come and talk about the hospital, about Jamaican hospital, this and government, this.
I hear them. I can't even remember which life she live. But so me listen her and text until me say, me go see what I don't power another life, but me come over here.
But remember, no, they had to come out that strong, you know, and fight Trussell because it was the last chance, you know. There's no more chance for them, you know.
She was one said the seat where Labour right get from McGregor. They see a thief, then thief you back.
Yeah,
they're going to say that. They're going to say that.
Yeah, you remember when Steve McGregor said if JLP when PNP dead, them not a chance again?
Yeah, that's why they had to come out. Yes, that's why they come out with lies and they come out with cash because they had no more chance. Third term is more easier to win. Third term is more harder to win. Fourth term, as soon.
It's easier, yeah.
As soon.
Yeah.
The fourth term I go easy to win by amount of pick me where they right now in the fourth term we are going just can reach
that's what we do. Like Tari, look on that Tari.
And all of them know,
all of them, That's it, because them now witness it for themselves.
Yes.
I mean, now me have around 6 people in my yard right now. We are going 18 in the next election.
Jamaican baby then could have voted. Little baby pig then could have voted. Out of landslide to Andrew.
Landslide? No, we wouldn't have who will vote.
And you see what go on a Portland, and them to they go on a Westmoreland, now they might to my box, them or whatever, you know. I think there's some box done that we're going to show up.
They never have had no back on that. Them people that never have go back.
Never them at PNP. My son did live down there for 25 years. 25 years, my son live at Westmoreland.
That's just the few where depend Buchan and the Buchanham side. So the jail people focus on that too much. We didn't count out them people like Calomari.
And that is what they say why Anne-Marie was losing focus on to PNP and try to win them over.
The people are just ungrateful. Not go so. We come from East Coast.
You can't ungrateful. Alright, you think you can blaspheme if you don't believe in a if you believe in a God. You can't blaspheme because you don't have it and you believe in him already. So those people can't be ungrateful because they never be thankful at the first. Yes. If somebody don't thank you, how them all be ungrateful, they never want to see you in the first place. That's simply simple to their hand because they never come out, come vote. Because they don't get no money in the time.
Yeah, money where they not get.
They never get money. From them PNP, because the PNP, that's a full country, so not get the money to vote. That's why we are time. And that's not happen. So the price come in now, and them come out, and them are ungrateful.
But when Christian and I want to ask, you know, all the people them will come when they are foreign or America 5-6 years, come vote. All them vote.
Yeah, they can because me come to Jamaica, me can vote.
But you travel Jamaica, pick up your center. Then the people in the left Jamaica, they don't come back.
But they're on the voters list, and that's
on the voters list. Darling. Your name still the on the list. You can vote.
Yes, once it's on the list, it'll come off, you know.
Okay. My name not come up on the voters list.
Yes, your name come off for itinerary and you used to vote before. You go down and vote.
Yeah.
It's not the address where you live a foreign make you qualify now. It's the address where you live out here and pick up your numerate.
Yeah.
And give a from Tipali go. You vote. Once you want a death certificate, no upload there.
And that me tell my son. He said once me no get a death certificate, say me die, my name would never come up at that voter.
Their death certificate. The company world system say, the Interpol system say, yeah, this is.
You understand? So I said then, mommy, look how long, me say my name till the day.
Yeah, still there, man.
Me never say me say my name still here, but people live here 100 years and long and me not dead. My name till the day.
People come from foreign.
And the reason why me ask, you know, I true, me see a whole heap of young youth fly down from America up in our the area and in Parrytown come vote and I'm not holding them vote for, you know.
That means that they lose them vote, but them go ahead.
Yeah, they lose them vote and I'm not holding them vote.
Who wants that? Them exercise them rights.
What here, Maryland and Parrytown at our center?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah? So we're near man. We're near man.
Where you there?
But they are foreign now still, but I watch it.
So we part of Ochi, your base.
Fern Grove, you know Fern Grove?
Oh yeah, man, yeah. Me not really know that, but me hear about there.
Yeah, man. Big up one Vernie, big up yourself, you know.
Okay.
Miss Merlin.
Parrytown, my family, them man.
Miss Merlin, let me ask you something now, man. The youth, the voice is right now. Come vote. Which, and then vote the PNP. Who are the MP up there? I may ask you.
The new guy we take over in Lisa Anna seat.
Dr. Russell.
Okay.
Russell.
Dr. Russell.
Oh, Dr. Russell.
Hold on, you think Monday, you think the PNP them are listening to Damian Crawford and Peter Bond is going to put them picnic on the school bus?
No?
School bus PNP, they might use a picnic on their business with you?
And
Then
them
first, I
go
put them finish on it first.
Them a pay them $50. Them care zero the bunting. You're alright.
People they love money and want to save money. Why not $10 them pay?
But me here see a 3 seat up there in one. I think I don't know how much of the seat labor right get, you know.
4 seat.
3 seat labor right get and them get one.
4 seat. And it was
Not
always
that.
that way.
Xavier main with team one, mainland.
Crystal win.
Crystal win. And Samuda.
And Waterman.
Samuda.
Samuda. Crystal and
Samuda.
Yeah.
So how them get 3 seat up, labor right get 3 seat up there, them a talk about labor right lose.
No, man, the southwest. This is the southwest seat, man.
Xavier main, Matthew Samuda and Crystal Lee. Them the 3 JLP seat that and PNP get back Lisa and one. Russell. Then the 4.
Southeast.
Oh. Okay.
But that seat that can let me not think that seat that will ever go to JLP though, you know.
They like Central.
Them a live off my name, Mr. Mullins, Seymour Mullins legacy.
Yeah, but what happened, you know? What happened, you know, is when the GLP now start to perform, you know, give to them winning people and money to transform to them constituency. Next man will look over and say, this don't make no sense with this here back like this. The next man, go fix up the place with free money now. Roll out. Because if you fix it up, winning people will catch him, you know. People vote for the government and say the government is the best way they ever should.
One constituency.
That is why them keep it done.
That one constituency, my brother.
Alright, look at it.
Basically, the other 3 constituencies together still not big like the one constituency.
Yeah, but remember,
Determine the cancer. Look at Central. Central Kingston.
Look at Central Kingston.
Yeah.
Well, that's true. And nearly lose the seat. Just look, don't say that.
32 seat Lisa and I win it in 2020. 32.
32 vote, yeah.
Right. So you can't say that, you know. You have to look at people, look and say them, oh, them 3 constituencies are uplift and a build up and development and all one down.
That's true.
Vote back to the people who vote for Jamaica. That is why Andrew was saying, vote for Jamaica and forget about this.
Which Jamaica, man?
Use the Jamaica for your one, your constituents and part of Jamaica for uplift. Talk about this grandfather Mullins and Lisa and
Lisa Anna nearly lose because people in name come out.
And why they not come out?
Maybe underperformance, but this a man do nothing. This a man do nothing. We take over from her now. He not do nothing. And Adian Pierre loses seat by
up in that the consequence. Never.
Because the election was bought in the people's mind that the PNP is going to form government. So
okay, understood.
Winning side. The PNP suppress the people's mind with
Ian and Danan come out to the poll say the PNP are lead.
A lead.
So when them hear the PNP are lead, then go vote for the leading party.
Well, me know that me picking them no vote for PNP, but they wouldn't. They are me are there right now.
Suppression of the mind, suppress their mind. Only all, you know, then as you said, yes, ahead 3%. I just would like the election was really run and Donald is polling on that. The blue that polling on.
Sure.
And the Donald support the election run after, you know.
That's why they tell them come out yesterday and I said can't believe that Danan support because Danan is that's them a lead that don't win. And own them the win.
And they don't win.
I said that because him doesn't be hypocrite as him always is. They paid him to do that. They told him that is the anti-poll them want.
Yeah, man, he get paid for say.
But God
he say nothing.
When God do him poll, you know. So I mean, I think no man can move that poll, you know.
Not true. When God put on him poll, nobody can move it.
God said,
oh man.
Time when you gather the orange, you gather, and I never hear when you keep a gospel concert. I never hear when you use the flag when you represent, and none on the concert.
But yeah, or no ever for the election run, you see my willing even come up go and do no win go even say thanks to the people
Of
that
course,
was
of course, he come out. He come out
Yeah,
and
man,
think
him come on, him say that, man. Him say it
uh,
In concession speech.
where him can see them
almost
cry.
confession speech.
he never call Anthony. You will say thanks.
They no call Anthony, but him can see.
He not call Andrew name. If from my
Come
think
out and cry
Andrew
like a
name
baby.
like a
See
dumb.
man a cry, man.
Him cry like a bitch.
He does think him don't have a prime minister. My Olin think that Jamaica doesn't have a prime
A
minister.
prime minister, yeah.
Because as a white man, he can't see a black man and lead him. That's why.
That's why he just say that's why me hate Andrew. I mean, Nas don't talk it. You know, like Andrew.
You know think say I go away. You know feel him I go in soon gone.
You're worrying
In one party, I got to take him out, man. In one party, I take him out. Just give them look of time.
Because most of them,
So they work, you
they
know.
never come in a opposition, you know. You think Paul will have a left?
Paul was entitled to be in the opposition.
I'm not going to
Yeah, him I go left. Him I go.
can't see the journey, I'm going to left. I'm not going to stay.
Nasty. If I want big government and he can't get it.
You have too much baggage hang over for him shoulder. He not going to listen.
I'm going to left. But you have to look on it, say, we fight a good fight.
Woman, we fight it and made it.
We use
Real fight, man.
intelligence, we use knowledge, we use wisdom. And come back.
Truth and facts.
Facts.
Yeah, man.
Yes. So that's what I tell a man, so when a man come back tell a lie, just careful or come back and calmer.
True. I come and catch them backside and catch them calmer. Not take
Yeah,
long.
man. They take too much lie, man.
Not going, no say Andrew don't have 20 bank account and for the stage him got debate and still come up
And
with
some man have 28 bank account.
Because
He come out and clarify that to them, say, and nine the man have.
it was told,
Yeah, but now the PNP them still hold on funny, you know.
I'm saying it.
Yeah, because them have do politicking.
So the
I know the PNP them still hold on funny saying a 28 bank account. I know. I nasty rose. He more think like a fly.
my personally, you know yours personally, Marley?
No?
Why would you tell a lie? I would just have
Look, you look, you will just look for road, you know, say road nasty.
look at a picture and a machine.
I don't know Andrew honest. I never tell like Andrew. The same thing.
Hey, I don't know Andrew one is.
Yeah, but the problem is, you tell a lie, and she.
Me?
Yeah.
Where?
Listen, she talk to you personally, man. And I talk personally.
Me?
You just say it.
No, me say only look, me look when I picture, me know say she nasty.
You say I'm out stink.
They look stink.
Oh, you catch up with me, man.
They look stink. They look
It
stink.
looks okay. Well, me should have said,
Like a like a fly.
we don't think like how we fly.
Well, on them. Me hear how we are, brother, yeah. Richmond Park. Brother and sister, I don't know who. Richmond Park.
Good morning, good morning.
Oh, you're a real warrior. You're up.
Yeah, man. I always compare something.
Morning. Yes, sir.
Morning. We just stay here, listen, and I agree with everything that you say and do. And one thing I thank God that our Prime Minister, when I wake up, I know that Andrew Owens is still my Prime Minister. Amen.
We come to them. Yeah, man. That are the best.
That is the best. So,
Which constituency?
Central Clarendon.
How can we say Richmond Park? You think of Richmond Park today?
No, there's a
Williams.
Richmond Park.
Williams.
Yes. As I said it already, I named it was after the school that I was in when I was in Jamaica. But that is in Northwest Clarendon. Lester Morgan Constituency also, which he won. So the both side that I was representing won their seats.
Very great.
Yes. Mm-hmm. So I'm here listening to you and all agreeing with what you say. And going forward, just what they need to put in place. The other day I was listening to a live and they were saying the Prime Minister is too soft and all of that. But I said, it's better to know that he won honestly more than going to the back around and trying to do what the PNP people are doing. Because they same one would pull him down and say that he's doing this and he do that to win. So it better we go the right and honest way. Because God do not like ugly. Yeah.
Right. Come on. Right. I'm not going to hear from Chris Carter was last sleep.
No, man, I sleep.
Oh, you're up. How you just there?
No, I'm there. What movie?
Where are you going now?
Right. You can see what I'm going to do with the PNP, they might hold more from the opposition. What's going on my family?
The series soon start.
About week at the next year in. I want to see. So I wonder if them go. I wonder if you will be hearing ceremony before there is a seat. Okay.
Come on. Sassy asleep.
Chris.
Yeah.
When swearing done, it's the election over.
Well, I want the Prime Minister Bruno over and marry that Vasi.
Now, at the PD.
Maybe PD, them are going to run over. There's such man good on a reach in there.
And then the next man now go sit down. I remember saying my liar in a party. You forgot?
Or some have go sit down in there.
A liar man, so them know this and that against it. Because them use the Constitution very often, you know.
Yeah, then suppose it happened that it turned out that she win, them never go come out.
When did it turn it for she?
Alright, so when she win, him never go step out if he go sit down in there.
Must be more correct about magistrate and I'll recount. More correct about court.
Yeah, then if you go there so, and she wins same way, him still have to go come out.
It can't hold up the government still. The government have to swear in and move on. And then them do them after them.
Yeah.
But you understand, but if any seat run over back, them PNP will go back to PNP. Knowing that the PNP, the JLP won the election, they'll go back to JLP now. They're coming at the winning challenge.
Yeah.
Them suppressing at the mind, things that the PNP would have found.
Yeah.
That them tell themselves, that is the reason why they win back so much seat. And all these people are convinced the JLP will win. But, you know, I hate guys and just say, you know why they lose it back. They never know. Suppressing of the mind, them suppress the people in mind. Badly man with the IC and the integrity and the charge and they use that. They never focus on winning the country. They focus on too much anti-winning. Lose focus.
They hate the man. I don't know why. Mama said no, why.
You know, Squid, I want to say something.
Yeah, morning.
Which man? You know, the day of election, my sister called me and was telling me that one of my other sister was influencer to vote for the People's National Party. But she said she don't know who she was going to vote for already because she's always listening to, what's his name again? Andre Stephen, and he's one of them that tries to blackmail a lot of people, telling people what Andrew Holness did from what he did and all of that. So I think a lot of propaganda that was going around that too helped some people didn't want to know what to who maybe are scared because of what they hear and don't have a mind of their own. So as I said, I had to get up and say to her, let me tell you something. Tell her to go and learn to read. It's my sister. And I could say, tell her to go and learn to read and know facts for herself and stop taking heresy. Because if you know the facts and you know the truth, you only take heresy for what people is saying. So she did what she had to do. She voted for the Jamaican Labour Party because she said PNP never did anything for her. You understand? So I think a lot of propaganda that was going around, a lot of our people were scared of going out to vote too.
Squitty, good morning again,
Yes,
everybody.
Squitty.
Morning.
Yes, sir.
Say, there's a lot of hanky panky going on in the EOJ for real. And I'll tell you one of the things what me find out. And about my case, because I never go to Jamaica go vote now, because to be honest, me had some weather so me couldn't go. But you know what I say? 2 months before, me check my name on the voters list. And it was there. Two weeks before the election, me check my name on the voters list. It gone. Listen up, Skitty, listen. Every day me check and me say, no man, something wrong. Every day me I check right down to the election, my name wasn't on the voters list again. And me's a man on the voters list from long time.
Do you
And
call
no, man, so, no, me never call. Me check, me never go to Jamaica, that's why me never call. But guess what, Skitty? Last time me check the voters list and my name come up.
Me know, you're not the first person me hear say that in a virtue.
Oh, yeah, sir.
Me say last night is quitty. We go back on the voters and me say, come here look for the result of the election. And me say, you know what? Make a call upon it again. Because I can't believe that my name come off of the voters list. Even if I call my cousin, because my cousin, she's a indoor agent for the PNP. And me say, you see my name on your list? She said, no. She don't see the name. So I say, no man. But my name supposed to have the voters list. He said, she go inquire about my name. And she don't see my name. But Smitty, what me do? Last time I go right back on the voters list. And my name is right there. PD25. PD25, brother.
So who you not going to go vote for?
Crystal Lee.
Virgin, you're not the first person me hear say it. And it happened, yeah, the sentence see them affected the way they do. You hear me tell you? Because a girl I run away tell me say me not no vote. Right? I'm sure so my name was on the list. But guess what? She couldn't stop the thing. So I said, I know who she work with too. I can't know I'm calling nobody name because I have a full proof. You know? That same girl called me one night with one man in a bar. You know? I try mix up my name, you know, all because me talk a truth. You know what I mean? And then say, when somebody talk truth, them take it as disrespect. But it's not disrespect. A truth is just a truth, Bridget.
A truth, yeah.
Yeah, if you look up on the sky blue, it blue. It just blue, it never red. You know what I mean?
Me know people living in my district, I figure all the way at Brownstown, I'm not there to go vote. And I say, wait, don't tell for school you used to vote. So they call all the way down there, so. Man say, yes. If a brother call me and say, I'm not there, you have to go and say, you might vote at the school all long. And all of a sudden you have to go not there, joining community. These are things that happen with the EOJ, so irregularity is going on a long time in the EOJ. I hope my people name is scrub off of the list.
Brother, my name used to be a 101 and a 104, I forgot.
But Squitty, there's somebody who go to EOJ about the same thing, you know. Because it seems like some big man get licked to, and somebody come out, I forgot my name, and say, EOJ need to sort out the electoral list. But all of a sudden, I see name by this morning. So it seems like if that person ever talk, a lot of people would know what's going on.
Yeah.
Somebody shout out already about it now.
But Kevin, when Danville Walker was there, though everything was okay at UG.
Yes. Well, let me tell you something, man. Guys, I'll tell you this. I'm going to be frank with you.
So hold on. Kevin, you vote before that?
Eh?
You come vote already?
Me always vote at Jamaica.
In the last election, you voted Jamaica.
No, I never voted in the last election because I was on tour. I was on tour because I'm a man. So.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So when the last time before that, the last time you voted Jamaica, right? You always the point and you check it and your name there, and then when you figure vote your name
they
there.
always vote for in my PD at Jamaica, brother. My name always up on the list. Yeah. Only since we come in England, I'm in a vote. You understand?
Yeah.
Because I'm in the plan for going to vote, but trigger things that happening with me. That's why I couldn't. Because Sanja knows. Sanja talk. You understand? But let me tell you something. What me have said to Jamaican people today, every disappointment is for good. I'm talking for other life already. This is the time we party to go and know the people who care for Jamaica and for who don't care for Jamaica. You see the way PNP then win back? No, you gotta know the true PNP and how them are gonna work. Because listen, if them not work, you gonna have half of Jamaica fix up and half no fix up. Yeah?
Yeah.
And the half are gonna fix up on the JLP side. The PNP them not gonna spend no money. And visual them fool. They should be the one who are compete against the government. Not by not performing. They're supposed to perform to win back SC and win back government if they want to do that. But you're going to see how foolish these people is. Jamaican people are going to know how PNP is right now. Because let me tell you something. Them are going to suffer and I need the PNP hand right now. All of them see that. You see I like West Poland. Yeah? When Mocha roll out, hold on man. You see I know what thing me have to talk in a scripting. When Mocha roll out, you know. I hold it for MP and councillor and all the things that got prison, you know. And whoever play that will come here in Jamaica and come extradite people out of Jamaica, you know. We don't hold on, you know, brother.
When Boatman I say one by one, they go into jail. What about them say? All right, sir. Look here.
That's why they're so desperate for win.
I say I'm desperate and the passage just singing up.
Damon Crawford in chat, and in chat. Sometimes the truth come out and don't know. Yeah? Sometimes the truth come out and don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah? So let me tell you something. You go and be weeping and mourning on national teeth because enough of them people there. All the man who, all the three persons who run against Brother Crawford. Wow. Yeah? Wow. You see, my body is pushing back in a Goatman 2 face down a Chilani. What more? Going yard to rotting with campaign. That's good. Show them up, brother.
Yeah.
You understand? That's good. I'm going to tell you something. The Prime Minister going to turn Jamaica into a place where people are going to come there by the dozen. And Jamaica will start to refuse people like America and Canada and India are going to refuse people. You understand?
Yeah, true.
Now remember, say, we are one of the smallest countries on the Interpol list. And let me tell you something. No criminal can come to Jamaica because we are read them out. Anybody that come to Jamaica now, we have them filed. Yeah? We have them filed. So, let me tell you something.
You still active, Kevin?
No, me leave now, man. Me just like you now, you know. Me perform my service other way.
Yes, I.
We are in the same boat, you know. No worries, just quit if you see you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Love it energy, though, man. Love it energy.
Yeah, man.
Brother, look here, me a born JLP and me grow JLP and me now switch, brother.
Yes,
yeah?
sir.
In my time when me a grow, me grow underneath a man called Ernest Smith.
Yeah.
A member of parliament. Yeah? And then he left and give one next brother and that man there never cut the dash because he make people like Arnold Birch and a white man come take over from them and dig up playfield. Like we'll never forget. Look here. Me tell you something. Me have a thing in my heart with PNP. I will never forget them people there. We have a playfield now our district and the man come and dig it up. And the man not give it nothing to play because it's about them all fix. They not give it level play football and cricket ground. And the man come and dig it up and put chapter in it and for years we couldn't even kick a football for that. I will never forget them for that. Yeah? Virtual white man and Alberta, and them two man there. Yeah? I know Dayton Campbell come represent we. And guess what happened? The place where him born and grow up, Shelley Road and Bamboo. The man don't put the asphalt on the road. You know what the man do? The man take out him mother out of Bamboo and carry mother go discover where they go live. And now him fix the road down there.
Yeah.
Yeah?
You damn a classmate now.
Eh?
You damn a classmate now.
Who are you, Smith?
Nah, man. One of you just call it name.
Who, Dayton Campbell?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't care, man. That's why Xavier men are respecting guy, man. The man they used to in I see him blood and skirting. So, you see?
Yeah, man, I know Xavier tomorrow.
Yeah, look here. My brother, a best friend to Xavier man. And you know, say, the man up at St. Baker one night and Keith Walford come up there and the man say, so Keith, why you go run back against Xavier man? The man say, last time me checking up. Last time he run my survey, you know, me can't glisten man, so me give up. I saw the man say, the man said nobody can beat Xavier me now, because if he's a man who know them man there. If you know a Booker road, you know a Booker road donkey car truck, you know, and the man make back Booker now come like a blood and skirt highway, you know.
Booker, man.
Yeah? When you know what I'm talking about. One time you used to take you an hour and a half sometimes from Cape Valley to go to Brownstown. How long it take you now? 40 minutes or half an hour. Depends on how you drive. Everybody know that.
Lock the place, man.
Lock the place, brother. Lock the place.
Lock
yeah?
it. Lock
So
it.
Danishka say I can come give 1 billion to Dre Brian down there. You think could have beat Xavier means?
Hold on, man. You see last night, I drink
Brian come from?
No. But I pay money a pumping night. You see, alright. You know say in a constituency the man come down in a them glory I drive it out vote in a Xavier main constituency. The people they run with them. Run with them car what they doing now? They come with the 30 grand, you know. And the ink, you know. So you see as you call it, you dip your finger in the ink, you know. If you are jail, you know. And that you might do, you know.
You can't
I wonder if it's real.
Yeah, choose something, brother. I choose.
Why do you think other people are asked to buy? Why do you think other people are asked to buy?
I got rich Campbell, you know. When Campbell go within 10 grand, you know. In a last selection when you run down there, you know. He just give out the money, I never do nothing, so he just give out the money and people just take the money and go shopping. And lose. Because when you lose, you almost have a attack in the hospital. Yeah? So, they say they now run the check again. So what them do? They carry the ink this time. So that means they can't vote. What that the man them do?
Knock you out the race before the race start.
Yeah. But I want to tell you this.
The money you have to touch the ink.
Yeah. But you are
once
now.
you touch it, you can't show up election day.
Yes. But you are going now. Do you know last night, Kim Brown, in a middle night to Brothers for Brownstone appeared?
Oh, yeah, sir.
In the middle night, Brownstone appeared last night. All of the road you have to pave. They make sure they do it in the middle of the night with disturb the people. Because you see what happened now? A lot of people don't know that Brownstone, if you start road work in the day, the whole place is a jam up. Nobody can go nowhere. So what you have to do, you have to wait until like night. We buy everything quiet and nobody no movement now make them pave the road them. And that's Kim Brown do last night.
Okay.
Don't turn outwards in any direction, you're right. That
yes, because, yeah. You see when the Grand Market keep a Brownstone lock off.
Yeah, man, I best Grand Market every time too. And Livingston.
Alright. So let me tell you something. You see me telling you right now, I make sure I tell you this. You see right now the 29 seat or the 28 seat now can reduce by one. Let me tell you something. You see, what's going to happen to PNP in this parliament now? All of them are going to get show up. All of them are going to get show up. Watch. But think, why think, remember I said now Andrew Wallace run the poll already and say 26 seats you have safe, you know.
Yeah.
You know why am I dealing with you know? I know this say spend more time in 26 seats. Why am I have? when him grow on the island.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? So listen to me. I can tell you this right now. PNP just get screwed. Don't think they don't get screwed, then just get screwed. Because I know. Eh?
Spend a whole heap of money.
Look here, man. Peter, look here. You see right now, Mark Golden. I bought him now because the amount of millions him lose to Rat. I wonder which part him get it from now.
You them not cry already? You can see it right now.
I want that team player to pay back.
Yeah, look here, man. you think say proving gone boss yet? I know it a go boss. Eh?
Alright, hold on there, Kevin. Look here for some of that now.
What do you think, boss? Yeah.
Bless up, Kevin, man.
Music has sleep. Music knockout. Bob. You're talking in your sleep, though. Right, go on.
Kevin Energy, good man talk exactly what me I tell you on the program part.
Yeah.
Tell you know, money the man, the PNP just get money now and then rise up. No give them none and see what. No give them none and see what happens here. So Andrew know if you just know the playbook and just know say, yo, focus on your 37. Focus on yes, sir.
I'm sure them up.
You say we still up on 37 with it? Nah, come on. We don't jump one shot. Focus on your 37 with that. Who support you and who follow you? Who support?
Yeah.
Enough of the man, they never take the time and the care, they'll get numerated. That's so, everybody are jump and pull up and that. Too much Janty they print, man. When them Janty they never they take cut. Muggling thing.
We're going to representation of politics today. Have to take it things serious and if you are going to run motorcade and stuff like that, but I want every man show me so they have a vote. You know what I mean?
Yeah, man.
And then the one that when I don't vote them, you have to focus on carrying them to the enumeration place to get them ready. You're not going to run up and down back on me and I don't vote, brother, because you don't make no sense.
The work of them never do no work.
The optics don't make no sense.
Like Warmington, we don't got Warmington office, you know, if you're a labor at our PNP, you have a vote.
On the list, you
yes.
vote. If you're a PNP, you still help you. But you don't care, you have a vote. Steve job is to convince you now. All you
come over.
We can't buy from you. We don't have no money. It's like you sell a broke man something and I said, man, buy it, man. I said, I'm broke, you know, buy it, man. Man say, you trust me?
I love your analogy.
So me talk. So you have to understand, say, next time round, the canvassing, go round and find. That's why I tell you, you go round and find most of the people who are following behind you do have no vote. You have to get to this numeration system and just put one thing so when you get your next card, you automatically
can vote, yeah. Eligible.
That's the thing. But you see in that term, yeah, 2030, as we say, 2030, we are big, grandfather.
2030 vision.
Yes. Yesterday,
vision.
You see what happened? I am bringing the 2030 vision.
Yes, my brother.
No, you know me like Ian.
No better.
Right to 2030, man.
Ian, all of the project them we are gonna come now and go cut ribbon.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. But at Parliament, do the therapy, so when the Parliament do the therapy, do with ribbon and everything, cut it.
Yeah, man, I just cut the ribbon.
True.
Ribbon man is here.
Ribbon, nobody can go in until he cut the ribbon.
Yeah, man. Ribbon man.
And then somebody can pass on the message.
Them say the right thing, you know, cut ribbon man. A ribbon for cut. That shows them one.
When the ribbon are cut, you know, say something a bill or something a
one. You can't have no ribbon now cut. You don't do nothing.
Mm-hmm. That's why they never cut none.
Never cut no ribbon. Yeah, everybody cut some old something with them. Picture.
You see the house of them human will have no step. About 6 feet, about 2 feet deep and 1 feet deep you step down from the human out to the ground.
Wow. So now going on knee after a while.
I think Thomas?
Yeah.
Yeah, but for Squitty, we say for the program. I'm telling you, Senator Martin is going to vote out Charles. I want to say why. Me say, you in a man to 7 consecutive terms, and the man never do nothing. Why you think she can convince them to keep she? Them no used to nothing.
Well, I want if a new people are going to move up there,
You Graham win 2020. You Graham win
cut for the
2020
people,
and never look back for Linstead from 2020. You Graham win 2020 election and lock up him office and walk from them. That's what Parliament him don't go. And them still vote back for PNP up Linstead.
Yes.
So tell me now.
So you think that Damon Crawford out the same thing?
Yeah, but remember, it's a regular
Same thing.
It's a trick, you know. And yeah, man, I'm telling you what, yeah, man, cannot fix up. It stays so bad, him cannot fix it. And let me say this to you. Amos couldn't fix it either. It's just like Dornberg sees.
No, you see.
But at least on that, Amos right up there with them, you know.
You mean have a good time?
Yeah, that's why I say if you must get 20 and you got 20, the money come.
You know, say Sandra, water up there. I just say sabotage and the PNP people are turning off the water. You know, water up there, you know.
No, they want road. They want road.
I want to tell you something. I'm going to show you that thing. The constituency have money to fix up it, yeah? Because remember when Xavier men winning up. I see money what Keith never spend Xavier men use and fix up all everywhere there. So money is there. Yeah, but Trigger then can't spend the money. So you see if Amos did win and that the money that fix up all like constituency.
Now I have more money.
You see same thing with Rhoda. You know see what Rhoda do? Rhoda go in and take out money what never spend and fix up the road them up there. I same thing. Money is there for them. Lisa Anna see it is the same thing. Money is there for them to spend.
And it's still not good for you.
But he must get money caretaker. I'm a caretaker. You got to spend the money. But Ian say?
He couldn't spend the money because our caretaker. He couldn't spend the money.
Pack it and fix a mile off a road. He can't do much.
No, he's a caretaker. Caretaker not spend no money at all. Are you Graham supposed to spend the money and him lock up him office and go in business? So all that money go back.
You never need politics. You never need politics, you know.
That's why I say why he never step down then I do one by election from them time there.
I just to suppress the people in mind, you know.
Placeholder, man.
Yeah, you them stay in them slum. So make them stay in them slum there. Make them stay up there.
You know.
So me go see next year them go start ball so them want this and them want that. Who them go ball to? Go ball to Father God.
Them not gonna see the man for ball to him. You man go back in and this is going on. I don't see it. I'm not gonna have to try to kind of go down this.
But in the end of the day, Ian, they win their seat, you know, but they're not happy because they're in opposition. That's their problem.
Look here, they may go cheat them just like how he cheat the people when Juliet Williams constituency and go say I check it people. You know the same thing with them as we see watch.
I'm gonna want to say oh, you think every all one first born city, you give him a scholarship. Oh, you know, the first born gone, that big man who gone. You think you want to think of a scholarship? And a family lemma said. So what is the family split up? First born probably be a coffin at the family, you know. He made the space no good and at him he has to qualify. So them come with some trick where suppression of the mind. That's why Andrew said, guard your mind. And them half fighting, you know. When them get to your mind, you know, boy, you have to come back, you know.
That's why them crown and promise people them things and the people them promise and them believe in this 500 house, 500,000 if we get house. This NHS, below in a swamp, give them all these things suppress the people in mind so they go vote for them. Them promises.
I said, one man crime go on one swampland. And when he look on this riverbed, he want to cut the silt and the thing out of the bed and kind of dump up on next place and bring one like an urban center.
That's not a direct fast.
Hey, when you pray back from the man, them say, I pay fucking and talking, brother.
Them party, the man, them never want no party. Between me and you, them never want.
Ian, you need to talk it proper, Ian. You need to talk it properly. I man, going to dig up it. You don't leave out I man.
Yeah, how can you go in front of people and say you're the silt on the riverbed? Because the silt, the riverbed, they are easy, you know. So the silt,
Yeah, but that can't dump up
come
place.
over, you know, and you disrupt that. You put it in one next dump up place and build urban center, 500 house. And we say people really see it's not.
My name crazy, man. Just play fat, brother.
Man, them never want.
I blow on and I make noise.
The
Yeah.
man, them supposed to rewind them tape here. Somebody give them Ethan Campbell, Craft, and Mark Bowling.
Peter Fontaine and Ian Hills. Them
Them-
four they should in the parliament.
Them make them lose. Them win them crop seed, but them lose the prize. And here, 25 pounds. I mean, as a party, oh, you talk about fashion over priority. Eyelash.
Ethan Campbell win, but he's not happy because he's in the opposition. That's the problem. He win his seat, but he's not happy.
He don't win no seat. He get back his old ex-wife. Not a new pussy he get back. Or if you get back your own and type where you get new pussy. And I always see how pussy have, you know, win nothing. If your woman left you and you get her back 4 or 5 years, you can't rejoice over that. I see a woman you get back. So you can't trust her neither because she will put her in. So them no win nothing. They just go to here in a parliament and do text. And oppose.
In a parliament, say Peter in the opposition.
Yes, some of them are going left, man. Like Peter. You saw Morris guy just left. You know, none of them are going left. None of them are going left. Some of us resign. Like, yeah, you just saw them left. Both of them are left and just go back and then practice.
What's the other one named Duncan? Look how much time she run and can't win. What's your name? One of the Duncan daughter. We run against Andrew. We run against Faval Williams.
Patricia.
3 times she run, you know.
Charles Beaker. Who beat her again? Charles, Bernard Charles Jr. beat her. Then he come from the next woman, beat her to like a finance minister. Beat her.
Well, guys, we know have a nice day. So I'm on the work now, so.
Yeah, man. Yeah. We soon sign off, you know.
Yeah, man. Me go. Yeah, me take out the whole the hearse and now, because our papa is me have to carry an idea.
Big up yourself, Kevin. Big up you.
I'll shoot at the pan, Kevin.
Yeah, sir.
Kevin, don't shoot today.
453.
Oh, okay, Central.
453 today.
Yeah, Central.
Yeah.
Alright,
yeah, man, Central London today. Alright, cool. Alright, bless up everybody.
Bless up, Kevin.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Big up. Safe travel on the gravel.
Okay.
Yeah, man, cool.
And trust. Yeah, I don't mind.
Yes, people. We're going to jump out 4 o'clock, you know, 10 to 4 now.
You're off today?
Yeah, man, that's why I couldn't up so late.
Oh, like me. Go back Monday.
Yeah, man, off today. Yesterday we had off today.
Okay, no, 10 to 11 over here now anyway.
But quickly, no surprise this when you get up here and you say, I think to keep at the election.
Yes, what?
I think to keep at the election, keep back central.
Yeah, them people now go say that, they must say it already.
They say it already anyway. So
I will, but people say it a type and I say them thief. You never black son of them since night.
You know, business, my brother and Linda, you know, people don't want Magnica. Boy, them don't know
They must say them thief and your election and your thief team seat.
How the mind was suppressed, you know. Because them are from government September the 15th, you know, the mind. time I tell you some of them, so them, what them do, what we really do.
Yeah.
On the losing side, all this happened to us. We dip on the winning side all along.
Yeah.
Put yourself on the losing side. Like say,
But the man at Westmoreland that say, oh, we win government, we win Westmoreland.
Right.
Westmoreland say, no, you win Westmoreland, but no win the government. No, we win. We win.
Mine.
I mean,
Oh,
I want
boy.
this. Sorry, why am I sorry for them?
Now have a clue.
My name Dunks bad enough. PNP, that
I just, oh, you make a man, the man that hypnotize them.
So about the years that Israel winning already if Israel didn't rig it Andrew that winning will like election at Jamaica. Them can talk some rubbish. I heard that Israel rigged the election.
full man, you know.
About oh Israel coming at this.
Really?
Mark Bolin is that true. Mark Bolin that true. So I
Come
don't the
from
man
the man and talk about your ears and Israel rigged.
rig if Andrew.
What kind of agenda Israel have for Jamaica?
She heard in her body. She said she heard.
What me gonna say? That's what me know. But me say.
They are fool them. It's like, look like she a liberal. She a fool them.
Yeah.
I have to fool them, yes, man.
Yeah, man. She said, I heard, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, me know.
Yeah,
But
man,
me say
no
from yesterday
agenda.
from yesterday them attack that.
She heard. She not support the argument.
Me know, she a fool them.
From yesterday them say Israel make a
But squitty on the panel, me go jump off, you know, cause we just
Yes, I,
reach
yeah, man. Put them together and everyone way forward in the night time.
Yeah, man, it's a
Stick it out to the end.
6 o'clock now, you know, I don't get coming now. You see.
Yeah, man.
you go order what you put for Amazon.
Yeah, man. Give me a support and thing, you know, second
Give me the tracking number.
You go order one of the
You come
man, I got other one, come on.